In this video, I want to show you what to do in case the screen of your Nintendo Switch 2 is frozen and nothing is happening. So to fix this, you simply have to keep press the power button over here during 20 seconds. All right, so let me do it with you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not release it, even if you see this menu appearing. 10, 12, 13, 20. Release after 20 seconds. The switch is now turned off. Wait 5 seconds and then press the power button until you see the Nintendo logo, then release it and the console will boot up normally after doing this and you will be able to use it. If it didn't work, another thing you can do is to do a factory reset. If let's say your Switch starts freezing again after doing what I just showed you. To do a factory reset, well, you can go into the menus, but you can also go into recovery mode. To do a factory reset using recovery mode, you simply have to keep press the power button again and wait until the screen is completely black. Okay, it's black, I can release it. Now keep press volume up and volume down, both of the buttons at the same time, and press once on the power button. Wait like this, keep press the volume up and down, do not release these until you see recovery mode. Okay, you can release once you see the screen and now select restore factory settings. It will be factory resetted and yeah, hopefully after doing this your Switch will stop freezing non-stop. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.